Hey guys, wanted to take a few minutes to share with you a new product that I saw at the Washington Sportsman Show this year. You know, every now and again you see a new product for us in the fishing and crabbing and just our outdoor lifestyle that you think, wow, that's going to make my job so much easier when I'm out in the field. And what I found this year is the Crackin Crab Cleaner. Okay, so this product here comes with, and I'll pull it out of the package real quick. It comes with a gauge, right? Up to 4 measurements, 5 3/4, all the way to 6.5, depending upon your area and your regulations. And it also comes with a stand, and I'll walk you through this in just a second. But let's pull the gauge off of the mount real quick. This gauge is stainless steel, so it's going to be highly resistant to corrosion and rust, but again, you should be taking care of your stainless steel out on the water, especially in saltwater environments. Okay, so this is great, but you know, the first thing that came to mind is, oh, stainless steel, you know, you make a slip or a move, and then all of a sudden you drop it in the water, it's gone. Well, they've come up with a solution for that, and they have the Crackin Crab Gauge Float. And I really like this idea because you set the gauge in here and you secure the strap. Now you have a piece that floats, and this will float in the water, okay? But more importantly, I like that it gives a nice large grip, so when you're measuring crab, you've got something more to grip onto than just those thin gauges that we usually have, right? So I really see a huge advantage to that. You know, there's even a hole on here if you wanted to put a tether on there, you could do that as well. So the purpose behind this is so you can clean your crab in 3 easy steps. So what we do is we take this and we mount it onto the board. They've already got the slots cut for you. So you just get this mounted onto the board, slide that in there, okay, and it sits like this, okay? So as you can see in the video, you simply take your crab, you hold it on top of the blade, and with it, we're gonna smack it. Now we don't wanna smack it so hard that it goes all the way through the back shell. Just give it a good smack so it goes through the belly shell and up into the innards of your crab. Then with one slight motion down and away, you're gonna pull those legs and give it a flick. Now you're able to flick off any of the guts or anything that might be on those legs. So this makes cleaning crab in the field when you get back to that boat ramp quick and efficient. You can leave all those shells and the guts in the water so that other crabs will feed on that and other marine life. Many experts strongly urge you, don't boil crab whole, especially with their guts. There's bacteria in there, it can make you sick. You most definitely, if you did boil like that, you don't want to reuse that fluid for, say, a soup stock or something else like that. So I just think that this is, you know, what a great product idea to help make our days on the water crab fishing so much more enjoyable, right? So you can visit tealcrab.com, that's Teal crab.com, and you can check out the Crackin Crab Cleaner. It's a gauge and a cleaner all in one. What a great product idea. Hope this information is helpful for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll have more great videos coming up in the year. Thanks for watching.